So it's gotten into the single digits in Arkansas here. It's gotten pretty cold and snowy. So what I figured I'd do, of the F-150. Oh, I locked it. Look at us. It's 25. It's only got 3K miles on it. It's nothing. It doesn't have any miles on it, so it should start up. It's a 2.7 liter. Look at all the little beads of snow on the top. It's gotten pretty snowy here. Let's see this. Hey, yeah, she started right up. It's a brand new truck. Yeah, see right there, 3K miles on it. Yeah, she's a nice truck. Look at all the accumulation. Yeah, it's pretty. Oh yeah, look at those. She didn't even have a slip. That was actually really good. I'm happy with that.